Here I have my new keyboard and mouse combo. Take a look. This is a 2-pack. First and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending me these so I could give my full and honest review. So here it goes. I absolutely love the color of this keyboard. My personal favorite is pink, but take a look at how nice this keyboard looks. It is like an old school typewriter style keyboard. Very, very nice. The keys are also very, very soft. They're not too clicky. So I will be giving you an example of how this keyboard works on my laptop. I personally do not like using the keyboard on my laptop. So I do prefer using a wireless keyboard just like this along with a mouse because I hate having to use it on the mouse pad itself. But overall, check this out. Again, it is not too clicky. The letters you can press on this. As you can see, it's not very loud. So I will be showing you how these work. Another great thing that I did like is that it does have this indentation right here on the top so that you could easily lay your pens, pencils. You could lay your phone on here, your iPad, whatever it is that you like. It does have the receiver inside of the mouse, so I went ahead and plugged this in to the laptop. Also, on the bottom of the keyboard, it does have these little stands, so you are able to go ahead and place them up if you like your keyboard at a certain angle, or if you choose not to, you could simply hide them on the back. But take a look, very, very nice. So let's go ahead and check this out, see how good it works. As you can see, I have the receiver plugged into the laptop already. So we're going to go ahead and see how the keyboard works along with the mouse. So I'm swirling the mouse around. Very, very nice. All you have to do is plug it in. As you can see, it's nice and quiet. And you also have the option to go up and down with these keys on the side. As you can see, both the keyboard and the mouse are very responsive, very quiet. They do have a variety of color options available. So overall, I would definitely recommend